how to view battery usage information since last charge on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then tap on battery. From here, go down to the second section, then tap on the drop down. From here, you can choose between today and since last charge. So you want to select since last charge, and it will give you some information. So last charge to 89%. So this phone here has been charged to 89% and it was stop charging. Stop charging 1 hour and 37 minutes ago. And here it tells you the estimated battery level. So I can use this based on my previous usage. The system estimated I can use it for 3 days and 12 hours. Now current battery usage is 3%. One UI Home, Samsung Notes, and Chrome. So tapping on View Details will give you extra information. In here, I've got the screen on time, 25 minutes. Screen off time is 15 minutes. And I have used up 3% in 1 hour and 38 minutes. And that's it. So that is how you can view your battery usage since last charge, and how you can use this information to monitor your battery power. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.